What is up, future peregrinos? I have just completed the Camino de Santiago the northern way, or the Camino del Norte, and after 900 kilometers, I've thought about it and I want to give you my top 5 reasons for doing the Camino. Let's get this party started. The absolute best reason to do the Camino is self-reflection. You will have hours every day that you just get to talk and examine your thoughts. It is glorious, and it's something we don't get every single day. After this trip, you will know yourself better. Going forward, you will be able to plan your future better with your ideas more clear. The second reason to do the Camino, it is excellent exercise. You are pretty much guaranteed to lose weight. I think I was burning between 3,000 and 5,000 calories every day. Just get back in shape, feels great. The third reason to do the Camino, it is an adventure that you will never forget. Every day you are walking around 24 kilometers per day with all kinds of challenges that will present themselves along the journey. It is the true sense of an adventure. The fourth reason to do the Camino de Santiago is to meet new friends. Your fellow peregrinos, you're going to meet them along the route and you're going to form a bond and relationship that might last your entire life. You're going to meet other people like-minded but also very different from all different backgrounds, but you're all doing the same challenge together. You will make some excellent friends on this trip. The fifth, and possibly the most important reason to do the Camino, if you're a foodie, is the gastronomy. Spain is one of the absolute best countries for food. Excellent seafood, land food, vegetables, and you can't forget the wine. So please indulge and you will have a much better Camino. Well, I hope you liked my 5 reasons to do the Camino de Santiago. This is the end of the video, so if you can think of a better reason to do the Camino, please put it in the comment box below. If you have any questions about the Camino, put that in the comment box below. Until next time, safe travels, buen Camino.
Don't leave yet. There's tons of great videos to keep watching. More importantly, did you subscribe yet?